I want to talk about another accessory. This one's really about, convenience. It's about really security and, style. Everybody likes the look of the tonneau cover on our pickups, but it also adds a pretty good level of security, Once you fold it over, and they're pretty easy to put on. Once it comes down to the end here, you just have a couple little right here, right? And then it locks up the closure of the bed. And if you're locking bed, there's your security and also the style. Nice contrast with the white, with the black running boards and the black tonneau cover. I'm kind of digging it. But anyway, that's another accessory, for your trucks.